you see, taking the outside world to the classroom, it's a key thing, it's very expensive. It doesn't exist with our schools. In grade R, grade 1, all the pictures and the caption and the sketches in the class for sighted persons. What happened to a blind child?
Oh, great value. I mean, I lost sight at 5. I never had these little things. So you bump against things. You conceptualize when they say it's a car. I was a rural boy. No. The mouth.
Yeah, this is the face.
The face, yeah.
Yeah, that's an eye, that's
Oh, yeah.
another eye, and
Oh.
that's a nose.
What is that, Top?
This one, wait a minute.
It's an eye, right? These are eyes. No?
This is the same one. Let's see.
That is
We
what?
can get, yeah.
Wait a minute.
Don't give your answer
get
first.
This is one of the
Get the
shell.
eye.
It's a C thing.
No.
This is supposed to
No.
be a C thing.
No.
No, but this is a like a shell. So what is it now? But a closed shell. What is this?
We're asking you from biology.
Hey,
It has to do with the body. The upper part of your body. The uppermost part of your body.
I'm not
head.
getting this one.
Yeah, what's inside it?
Oh, the brain.
ah,
Okay.